I was so busy recording. Anyways, so what I was trying to tell the vlog is we're taking all our winter stuff now. So we have a huge trolley to take everything. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh, he's mopping inside. It's okay, we'll go in the next one.
No. This will keep coming.
Okay. I hope all of you are doing really well. Today we are in a park. As you can see, it is beautiful weather. The official winter season has started, and before I get into the video, I just want to thank you guys, all my new subscribers and the ones who have stayed. You guys are showing me so much love on my other videos. I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying making these videos again. It is so good to be back finally on routine and everything. So today we've come to the park and we're going to do a barbecue. It is the perfect time for that. It is a little windy, but in this park it's not that windy, at least the area we are in right now. We're a little unsure if we can barbecue over here because it's like a play area and there's grass and stuff. Usually in Mushrif Park you need to do the barbecue on the desert side of it, right? Like where there's sand basically. So we're trying to figure that out right now and I'll take you guys along. This is a huge park. Like there are so many places. When we entered from one entrance, Abby and Savia were like 10 minutes away from us. It's beautiful, the sunset and everything. So now Mama is taking Isaiah to go play at the park. He's the cutest thing ever.
Hi.
He's smiling. So cute.
Come. Leave your hand. Let's go. He's interested in going there.
Well, what does he want to do there? But
What you want to
I
do
think he
there?
wants to hang there.
He can't hang. It's too small.
Isaiah! Isaiah! He's not looking.
Come here. Come.
Hi! Savia. Savia! Say hi.
Hi.
You look cute in your pink lipstick and hoodie. We have found the spot. Now we're going back to the car to collect all our things. Abby and Savia took their things. We just followed them without anything. We have parked our car over here and we're taking the things out now. We have so much of stuff to take. It's crazy. Just look at how pretty the skyline is. Like, so beautiful. I can't believe sometimes that this is UAE. In the winter time it looks so beautiful. In the summer also it's pretty, but winter time just hits different. Our picnic bag is finally out after a year. This is our first barbecue of the year and it is 16th of January. They're setting up the tent as well. I hope this doesn't fly out.
I don't get used to it.
Oh, last time we were burning, what do you call it? The pancake. Oh, that's a lot of dust. Charcoal dust. And I'm wearing white shoes. Perfect.
It's normal to have so much dust.
Cold? Baba, there is dust in the wind.
Background music
Oh,
by Abby.
there is dust in the wind. Same old song.
Whoa! Now how will we put this on top, the grill? That is too much.
इसका ज़्यादा हुई हुआ.
Yes.
We have to put this grill on top of
Grill
that.
या फिर जलने के बाद जाएगा क्या नीचे?
No, it won't.
Disintegrate थोड़ी होएगा एक second.
Exactly.
You have to remove half of it. You take gloves.
Why?
कहाँ से?
Papa, gloves.
Wow. It looks magical. Pretty. Sing. Sing.
Sing, no? Actually, sing.
He's shy right now.
Hello. Hello.
He's saying.
No, don't go there. Fire it.
Isaiah, don't go there.
Cassian, Isaiah is coming.
Hello.
Come I'll show you something.
Fire, please don't go there.
He's
Your
mesmerized by it.
eyes. Hey, who put some grease on your face?
Oh no!
Sorry.
What?
I didn't even know.
He has charcoal on his face.
I told don't go there. I touched.
Her daughter.
We have changed spots. We came to this section because we were not allowed to barbecue there. So we've come here. But there is more grass here also. I don't know what we're doing. We're just changing spots. He's taking the sand very happily and then putting it in the tent. Don't eat the sand. Wow, kids, man. Like, they're so funny. Show me. What is that? Oh, thank you. Some more. Put it in my hand. Now I've become the collector and they're putting it in my hands. And what am I going to do with all this? Play. Play? Now I'll let go. Yay! Okay, I'm going to leave these two here. And let's go check what the others are doing.
I'll wrap it now.
You all are making the potatoes now?
Yeah.
That's so cute. A tiny potato. So first thing that we're eating is going to be corn. It looks amazing. Mama put peri peri on this time. It looks so good. This is the current station, so we are cutting foil here. Then it'll go there and get filled and then wrapped. And next it'll go into the barbecue. Wait, how many are you taking? Okay, one.
It should be done, no?
Acha, cooked already.
Actually, yeah, the potatoes cooked and only the cheese has to melt.
So it should be done then.
Yeah, it's done.
Who got the lime? Give me the lime.
Dara has a lime.
निकालूं क्या?
अभी निकाल दे क्या potato?
Turn it around, no?
किया किया.
It's done.
हाँ, उसके बाद 2 मिनट के बाद. हाँ, because the cheese has to melt. No? Mutala does it very fast.
It's like bursting. Okay, now it stopped bursting. Corn was bursting and it became popcorn, but
we are lazy. We are standing and doing like
Rotating.
thoda.
now my favorite part of the barbecue, I'm gonna put marshmallows. There's chicken and all frying, but I mean barbecuing. Hopefully this doesn't taste like chicken.
Marshmallow. Dhala. The sausage is done.
Oh, now my turn. I'm gonna roast this. It looks so good.
Roasting the marshmallow.
Oh, my eyes are burning.
You want to put some oil on it? It will cook faster.
No, it's done.
Whoa.
See the crispy color of this.
It's burnt. It's not crispy.
Because now the
Oh shoot! Take it off.
what?
The chicken is burning. My marshmallows are roasting well.
Show it over the fire.
I'm scared it'll get burned.
It's just barbecue.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
My marshmallow.
Wait. Hey!
This is
Don't put a
different color
sausage there.
African will be black, no pink.
Oh my god! Ew! They were making jokes and my thing got burned. Okay, now that Dada and Abby have calmed down, look at my marshmallow. It's beautiful. The perfect toasted one. Should I toast it a little more though?
Yes, it can.
Yeah. Keep it on top only.
No, but last time I was looking somewhere else and it caught fire. Yeah. This is how I used to also eat a chicken bone when I was small. How old was I?
Again. You want
1 year old? I'll put up a picture of me if I get it. It's so
Take now.
cute. Reminds me of myself. Say hi. We're gonna give them an update now. So we are almost like closer to the end of the barbecue. We barbecued all the chicken and the corn and the potato and everything. And next up we're going to do the, what do you call the biryani? We're going to make dum biryani, literally. We're gonna put it on the barbecue and then give it the charcoal flavor. I don't know how it's going to happen, but yeah, we're going to do all of that. It's been so fun. Finally staying in my arms. Before, I'll put in a video. Okay, see, this is what I was talking about. He like suddenly started going downwards. It's been a fun time with Isaiah, literally running behind him the entire time. He like goes and takes these skewers, which is so dangerous, but yeah, it's been fun. The biryani is nice and smoky.
Yeah.
The dum happens.
You'll have to take one, love.
Savia?
Churi pan.
Uncle.
Where is the spoon?
Yum!
Ayla, the vessel is still not very hot.
Now with the remaining coal, we are trying to heat up milk to make coffee.
आग नहीं है तो बुझारा क्यों है?
Okay, now we put it directly on the coal. So hopefully it does. The milk is finally bubbling slightly.
No, it is not.
It's moving. The milk is moving.
That doesn't call. See, it's bubbling.
Mama, it is. Look, the cream is moving.
Now it's getting bubbling.
Exactly. It's almost there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, we've been waiting here for 5 minutes now, thinking it'll boil.
No, it's actually 10 hours later.
Oh, the SpongeBob thingy. I put that in actually. I hate that audio, but just to make Mama happy, I'll put it. Are you shaking it? Oh, okay, you are.
I'm trying to, take it off before it bubbles over.
I don't think it's gonna bubble anytime
It
soon.
is, honey.
Look at this boy. He's rolling in the mud right now. You're rolling, no? Show what all you collected. He has put all the sand in this bag. Going everywhere. Look at him. Full of dust. But very cute. It is time to go. Everyone's packing. Nobody's there left. And they're even announcing. There's like a car going around.
Ice cream truck.
That's not an ice cream truck.
It sounds like an ice cream truck if you pay attention.
But that's like a warning thing. Eyes, look.
Hi. Hello. Bye-bye.
Bye.
तेज बोली कि वो पुलिस साउंड किया.
Isaiah, bye-bye.
He's shy now. Oh, he's saying bye. Bye.